Hey friends! Today, I'm going to show you how I got a free Steam gift card code using a website called afurnacely.com. It's super easy and only takes a few steps. Let's dive into this short journey together. Before we move on, let's quickly check where exactly you'll need to enter the Steam gift card code. First, open your Steam account and go to the top right corner. Click on your account name, then select Account Details. Next, click on Add Funds to your Steam wallet. From there, you'll see an option that says Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Click on that, and Steam will take you straight to the page where you can enter the code you received. It's that simple. Just follow along as I show you step by step in the video. Alright, now let's head over to the website, afurnacely.com. Once you land on the homepage, I'd actually recommend taking a quick tour of the site. It's clean, simple to navigate, and packed with some really cool offers. Right away, you'll see a variety of free gift card options available for different platforms and brands, not just Steam. There's Xbox, Roblox, PlayStation, Nintendo, and even lifestyle and retail brands like Walmart, eBay, Nike, McDonald's, and Google Play. So whether you're a gamer, a shopper, or someone just looking to score a little extra, there's something here for you. Everything is organized into easy-to-find categories, and most offers show you exactly what steps are needed to unlock each gift card. It's designed to save you time and make the whole process frustration-free. But since today we're focusing on the Steam gift card, let's stay on track. You'll find Steam listed under the game's giveaway section in the top menu. Click that, and we'll move forward to the specific steps to claim your free Steam credit. Now, once you're on the Steam gift card section, go ahead and click on the button that says Get your free Steam gift card. This is where things start to get exciting. After that, scroll down just a little and you'll see another button that says Click here. Go ahead and tap that. This will take you directly to a dedicated landing page, designed specifically for the Steam gift card offers. Once the page loads, you'll see 3 different card values clearly displayed: $20, $50, and $100. Each one is neatly presented with a bold Claim Now button, making it easy to choose the one that suits you best. Now take a second to decide. If you just want a little boost for a quick in-game item, maybe the $20 option is enough. But if you're like me and want to grab that next big title or stock up for upcoming sales, the $100 card is definitely the way to go. No matter which one you pick, the process is the same. Just click on the value you want, and you'll move on to the next step where you'll verify your request. Alright, once you've selected your preferred Steam gift card amount, a new box will appear on your screen. Inside this box, you'll see 4 available offers. These are simple tasks, nothing complicated. To unlock your free gift card code, you'll need to complete just one of the 4 shown. Take a moment to look at the options. Each offer is slightly different. Some might ask you to complete a short survey. Others may invite you to try a free app or answer a few quick questions. Choose the one that looks easiest or most relevant for you. Once you click on an offer, it will redirect you to the survey or task page. Now, this part is important. You must complete the task properly. That means answering all questions truthfully and thoroughly, or completing the app install as instructed. This is how the platform verifies that you're a real user, not a bot, and only then will your reward be unlocked. If the task isn't completed properly, you won't be able to access the code. So just take a couple of minutes and do it right. It's worth it. Once you're done with the survey or task, come back to the page and click the button that says Redeem My Offer. This is the final step before you get your code. After clicking Redeem My Offer, you'll be shown 3 final reward options. These are safe, verified offers. Just check all 3 to see what they include and click on any one of them to confirm your choice. Doing this final step helps verify your access, and once it's done, your Steam gift card code will be revealed. And there you have it, your free Steam gift card code is now ready. It should look something like what you see on the screen right now. Now, as we showed earlier in the video, this is the part where you redeem the code in your Steam wallet. To keep things smooth and error-free, I highly recommend this quick tip. Open Notepad, carefully type or paste the code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no extra spaces or typos. Once you're sure it's accurate, copy it from your Notepad and head over to your Steam account. Go to Account Details, then add funds to your Steam wallet, and finally click Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. Paste your code in the box, hit Continue, and just like that, your Steam balance will be updated with the amount you selected. Easy, right? See how simple and safe that was? No tricks, no catches, just a few quick steps and you've got real Steam credit in your account. If you found this helpful, please hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a future offer. Thanks for watching, good luck with your gaming, and as always, take care and see you next time.